Booking a flight ticket with wheelchair is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can book a flight ticket with the wheelchair. So I'm going to show you how it works in Emirates. I think it works the same way in every other flight. So you just have to do the same thing. So I was at their website and I was reading about the wheelchair problems. So as it was mentioned here that you need to call them 48 hours before the flight that you need a medical assistance, that you need a wheelchair. How it will work: whenever you reach at the airport, you make sure you have your own wheelchair, and they will use this wheelchair to take you to the boarding section, and they will get you a seat in the plane. And after the whole flight, at the landing time, they will give you your wheelchair back. So that's how easy it is. You just need to call them 48 hours before the flight, and they will do everything else for you. I'm telling you this about this Emirates flight. Your flight company may have different policies, so you have to go to your flight's website and read these kind of instructions, mobility assistance. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can book a wheelchair in your flights. So if you guys find this video helpful,